multiple options of using a bathroom, a toilet, and shower inside the trailer. The first are inside. Simply pull out the porta potty, stick it in the pop-up privacy tent, use it as a toilet, or use it as a shower using a tote, and you're done. This could also be used outside. The second option is our indoor shower option. It goes around the vent fan to get the humidity out. Use the tote down below. Use the spray shower head. Take your shower. It ends up in the tote. You empty the wastewater outside. When you're done, the fan pulls out the moisture out of the trailer, and it presents an excellent way of taking a shower inside the trailer. These same options could also be taken outside the trailer and connected to the door.